Hey bro, you're gonna get a beat down.
Oh man, please don't hurt me. Is that a fluorescent light bulb?
Yeah, so?
Why do you have that? How does the thing even work?
Well, it's actually interesting you should ask. Have you heard of the photoelectric effect?
No.
Well, let me tell you.
So let's say you had a light source and a piece of metal. That light source is actually just made up of photons, or particles of light, and the piece of metal is filled with electrons. So that light is actually shooting photons at that piece of metal, and as the photons hit the piece of metal, the electrons absorb the energy and fly off. Now if you were to connect this to a circuit, because of the electrons jumping off of one piece of metal to another, you have a completed circuit. A fluorescent light bulb works the same way, just opposite order. You have a battery which is shooting electrons from one plate to another, and as it does that, it goes through certain gases that, when charged with electrons, emit photons.
Man, I forgot why we were even fighting. You know what? Here's a fluorescent light bulb.
Gee, thanks man.